What's up to all you gorgeous people out there? Welcome back to my channel, The Ags Beauty. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Well, in today's video, I'll be sharing my Nykaa Hot Pink sale haul, which I think all of you must be aware that Nykaa was on Hot Pink sale from the 23rd of July to the 27th of July, and they had some amazing deals. So I also made sure to grab some of the stuff. So without further waiting, let's get into the video. So here is my dabba of Nykaa and the products that I have ordered. I have picked a couple of products which I am going to share in this video. Starting on with the first product, that is the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. I have been using this loose powder for quite some time now, and I was about to get over with this, so I picked up this one. This is in the shade medium 25. I generally like to choose a shade that is closer to my skin shade. I do not want to make my skin lighter or darker, so I picked up this one. Then I picked up the Master Chrome highlighter. If you're looking for something affordable in highlighter and best performance, then you must go for this highlighter. It is the best highlighter you can get in a really affordable range. Like, it can give match to any high-end highlighter. I had this highlighter, then it broke off, then that's the reason I have repurchased this again. It is an amazing highlighter. If you're looking to get your hands on some good highlighter and you do not have a really big budget, then you can definitely give this a try. Moving on, the third product, I have purchased the Master Flush Creator Blush. I always wanted to have my hands on this one, and it was on 50% off. It is a super pigmented blush, really nice. That's what I have applied right now also. It is very nice and pigmented, so you can, yes, a little amount will work wonders. So you can give a try on this one as well if you're looking for an affordable blush. Well, moving on, I have purchased the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 220 Natural Beige. Well, I have heard really good reviews about this foundation and wanted to give it a try, so I thought, why not purchase a small one. Purchase this one. It is a medium coverage foundation, as you can say and see. Beginners, this is a really good foundation, as well as for your day-to-day activity. You can definitely give a try on this foundation, and of course a small one is really better. Moving on, I picked up two lashes from PAC. One is M75 and the other is M79. This is M79. They're really nice, beautiful lashes if in case you're looking for some dramatic eye look. I personally love wearing lashes, so I thought that why not. They were also on discount, so I picked both of them. PAC is a really good company, so yes, I got my hands on these two. The next product that I picked up is the Age Miracle Wrinkle Corrector. I picked it up for myself, as yes, I have started using anti-aging cream. It is not that when you age then you have to use the anti-aging cream. It is before you start aging, your skin starts aging. It's better to use it before than to use it after. So I picked up the bada dabba of this. The medium dabba was around for 400 and the bada dabba is for 699, but I got it for 500. So it was a really good deal, so I picked up this one as well. Moving on, I picked up the Pond's BB cream. I used to use this back in my college days, then I almost forgot about it, and then I saw this in the sale. I was like, why not? You can wear a BB cream because it has SPF also while running errands or while going somewhere nearby and you want a little bit of coverage, so definitely go and give it a try. Or if you're a college student or anywhere where you want a little coverage and you want that the makeup no makeup look kind, so you can just definitely give a try on this. And yes, I'll be wearing this to the nearby areas wherever I'm going. Next up, I have picked the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I have heard so much about it. I have seen so many YouTubers, so many Instagrammers, so many beauty bloggers talking about this concealer. all praises about this, and I had never tried it, so I wanted to give it a try. And as it was on sale, so I thought why not grab it and give it a try. Well, moving up, I got three shades of Lakme Absolute Gel Stylist. This is the one which I'm wearing. It is called Mermaid. I had seen this on their Instagram page, and I wanted to give a hand on this one, and as this was also on discount, so I picked up the shade. It is such a beautiful blue, electric blue shade. It is really beautiful. Then these days I'm obsessed with the lilac, so I picked up lilac. It is called Gum Drop. And then I picked up a wine shade, as wine is always my favorite shade. It is called the Warrior, so I picked up these three shades. It was buy two get one free, so yes, I bought two and I got one free. Yes, moving up, I have picked up the Wet n Wild brush. It is for contour. I was looking for a brush which is designed in the way this one is. It is a slightly slant design for giving you a better contouring effect, and it will be much more easier to contour with this brush. So yes, I picked this up as well. Then back in my college days, I always used to use an eyelash curler which used to give an instant curling effect to my eyelashes, but I don't know, now I have stopped using it. And when I saw the Vega curler on sale, I think it retails for 150 rupees and I got this for 130. I thought why not use it again. It is an amazing tool. If you do not even want to apply mascara, you can just put your lashes in between the curler and just press it slightly. There'll be an instant lift in your lashes. So yes, definitely you should give it a try on. And if you want to, you can just apply mascara and then curl your lashes, or curl your lashes and then apply mascara. Well, moving on with the last and final product, I got the Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Compact Powder. It has SPF 28 and PA triple plus, and it is saying that it is 12-hour oil control. I got it in the shade 118, that is light beige. The good part about this one was that it retails for 199 rupees. And I got it for 100 bucks. It was on sale on Nykaa and I got it for 100. Looks like this, and let's see what the texture is. Yeah, it is really nice, giving that mattifying look. Let's see. Yeah. Yes, this was my hot pink Nykaa sale haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. Here is my ID, and you can just let me know if in case you want to watch similar videos or any other video ideas. If you have and you want me to recreate a particular look, do let me know. Comment, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, bye bye.